In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize any WordPress theme without using a single line of code. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or someone who simply wants an easy way to spruce up their website, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. First things first, you'll want to head over to wordpress.com. This is the starting point for everything you need to build and manage your website effectively. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to log in. Look for the Login option, usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Clicking on it will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry, it only takes a few minutes to create an account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your website where you can manage posts, plugins, themes, and much more. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's a handy tool for running your site. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Appearance section of the dashboard. You'll find this in the left-hand menu. Clicking on Appearance opens up a submenu where you can access different customization options like themes, customize, widgets, and menus. This is where the magic happens, and you'll be able to make visual adjustments to your site to better suit your style and needs. Now, here comes the fun part. Click on the Editor option from the Appearance menu. This will bring you to a page where you can make changes to the look and feel of your website. The Theme Editor allows you to tweak various elements such as colors, fonts, and layouts. But remember, while you have the editor at your fingertips, it's important to make changes thoughtfully. You want your site to be both visually appealing and user-friendly. A quick tip: before you make any changes, it's a good idea to back up your site. This ensures that if something doesn't turn out as expected, you can always revert to the previous version without any hassle. Customize to your heart's content by altering elements that reflect your personal or brand identity. If you're unsure about making drastic changes, start small. Adjust the theme colors to match your brand's primary color, or upload your logo to create a more professional appearance. So, there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to customizing your WordPress theme without needing to write a single line of code. Have fun exploring the options, and remember that using these tools doesn't just improve your site's aesthetics, it also enhances user experience and functionality. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more handy tutorials.